Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Cairo, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 98 and exercise 14. And last time we finished our question number 10. Exercise 14, question number 11. Here we have question number 11. That was secant 3 theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 3 theta is equal to secant theta. So you can have secant 3 theta. That will be, you can convert it into the reciprocal of secant is always cos. So 1 over cos 3 theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. So taking reciprocal, cos 3 theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 3 theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So dear students, this is your formula cos minus cos. Again I will tell you that in exercise 10.4 you have seen in question number 1 and 2 that was cos minus cos is minus 2 sin. First plus second over 2, first minus second over 2. That will be minus 2 sin, 4 theta over 2, 2 theta, and 3 theta minus theta is 2 theta over 2 is theta. Implies that sin 2 theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to 0. 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 0 and theta is equal to sin inverse 0. In previous question I told you sin inverse 0 is always equal to n pi, and here is n pi. So dear students, here we have theta is equal to n pi by 2 and this theta is equal to n pi. Your solution set is n pi and n pi over 2. That is your answer. I hope that you understood this question. After that we have question number 12 and 13. Here we can have, out of question number 12 and 13, I am taking question number 12. Tangent 2 theta plus cotangent theta. Tangent 2 theta plus cotangent theta is equal to 0. Dear students, you know that what of sin tangent 2 theta is sin 2 theta over cos 2 theta, and cotangent is cos theta over sin theta. That will be 0. Taking LCM as sin theta cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta cancelled out. We have sin 2 theta sin theta plus sin theta cancelled out. Cos 2 theta that is equal to 0. After that, now you can take denominator term to the right hand side and multiply by 0. So you will get right hand side as 0. And we are left with cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to 0. Dear students, I have written in the proper form of the formula cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, cos alpha minus beta. Here you can have cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta. So what will be cos theta plus theta is equal to, it is minus theta is equal to 0. Cos alpha, we can have cos alpha cos beta plus sin beta is cos alpha minus beta. It is cos 2 theta minus theta is 0, and theta is equal to cos inverse 0. Dear students, what is the value cos inverse 0? Cos inverse 0 means cos is 0 at 90 to 70. Then this is 90 mean pi by 2. Then and 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, like that. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, because cos is 0 at 90 and 270, and completely you will repeat it on these values. 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, like that. Dear students, we will write down this answer in the general form. What will be in general form? This will be 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Dear students, put your n as 0, you will get pi by 2. Put n is equal to 1, this is 3 pi by 2. N is equal to 2, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 2, and like that. So therefore, solution set is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. I told you we have to write down the general solution of these questions. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, after that we have question number 13, that is sin 2x plus sin x. And also question number 15. So we can take question number 13, sin 2x plus sin x. Sin 2x plus sin x is equal to 0. Now you can see that actually it is the formula of sine plus sine. According to the formula from 10.4 exercise, we have sine plus sine is 2 sine cos. Sine plus sine is 2 sine first plus second over 2 cos first minus second over 2. We have 2 sine cos first plus second over 2, first minus second over 2. 2 sine 3x over 2 cos x over 2, that is equal to 0. You know that take this 2 to the right hand side, it will be 0 over 2. That becomes 0. So we have sin 3x is equal to 0 and cos 3x over 2 is equal to 0, and here cos x over 2 is equal to 0. Here we can have 3x is equal to, take this sine on the other side, 3x over 2 is equal to sine inverse 0, x over 2 is equal to cos inverse 0. Cos inverse 0. So dear students, here we have, what about sine inverse 0 and pi? 3x over 2 is equal to n pi. And here we have x over 2 is equal to cos inverse 0 is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Remember that we had this answer So x is equal to n pi into 2 by 3. Take this 3 by 2 on the other side, reciprocal. So x is equal to 2 into 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That will be 2n pi plus pi, and here is 2n pi by 3. So dear students, we have our solution set in general form 2n pi over 3 union 2n pi plus pi. That's your answer. I hope that you understood this question. After that, we have question number 15. Question number 15. Yes, according to your reduced syllabus, we have question number 15. So we have question number 15 as sin x plus cos 3x is equal to cos 5x. Sin x plus cos 3x is equal to cos 5x. Cos 3x, cos 5x. Dear students, take these terms on right hand side. Here is cos 5x minus cos 3x minus sin x. Dear students, you know that cos minus cos is minus 2 sin sin. Minus 2 sin first plus second over 2 sin first minus second over 2 and minus sin x. 0 is equal to minus 2 sin 8x over 2 is 4x, and sin 5 minus 3 is 2x over 2 is x minus sin x. So dear students, after that we can take minus sin x from here. Minus sin x common from here. So inside we have 2 sin 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus sin x is equal to 0 and 2 sin 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to 0 and sin 4x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Here is x is equal to sine inverse 0. So x is equal to n pi. You know that in case of sine 4x is equal to minus 1 by 2, this is negative and reference angle is, this is just like your question number 1. Reference angle is sine 1 over 2 as 30. 30 mean pi by 6. Reference angle is pi by 6. Because sine is negative, so it must be in third and fourth quadrant. So x lies in third and fourth quadrant. So dear students, we can have x is equal to n pi. That was your first answer. And the second one is Third quadrant mean pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6. Here is 2 pi minus pi by 6. So x is equal to 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Dear students, you know that in case of general equation or general solution, the term is for sine function, the term added will be 2n pi because the function will be 0 at that place. At that place this will be 0. So you can have x is equal to 7 pi by 6 plus 2n pi, 11 pi by 6 plus 2n pi. So we have here is actually this is 4x. Here was 4x because 4x is equal to sine inverse 0 and sine inverse 0 will be 2n pi, so they are added. Here 4x, this is 4x. Actually you have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 7 pi by 6 means this is 24. This will be 2n pi over 4. X is equal to 11 pi by 24 plus 2n pi by 4. So we have x is equal to 7 pi by 24 plus n pi by 2 plus n pi by 2. Here is x is equal to 11 pi by 24 plus n pi by 2. Now dear students, we have solution set n pi union 7 pi by 24 plus n pi by 2 union 11 pi by 24 plus n pi by 2. Dear students, that was your answer. Actually here was sine 4x and 4x is equal to sine inverse 0. And in this way we can find sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Not 0 here. It will be minus 1 by 2 actually. So in this way we can find the values and that is your answer. That was your question number 15. After that we have question number 17 and question number 20. These are the questions given in reduced syllabus. Question number 17. Question number 17. We have 7x, sine 7x minus sin x is equal to sine minus 3x, or rather sine 3x. Question number 17. Sine 7x minus sin x is equal to sine 3x. Dear students, sine 7x minus sin x minus sine 3x is equal to 0. You can apply sine minus sine formula. And what about sine minus sine formula? It will be 2 cos sine first plus second over 2, first minus second over 2, minus sine 3x is equal to 0. This is 2 cos 8x over 2 mean 4x, sine 7x minus x is 6x over 2 is 3x, minus sine 3x is equal to 0. You can take sine 3x common, 2 cos 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Sine 3x is equal to 0, 2 cos 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to sine inverse 0, and this will be 2 cos 4x is equal to 1, and cos 4x is equal to 1 by 2. Here is 4x is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. You know that this is 3x is equal to n pi and x is equal to n pi by 3. Dear students, you can check cos is positive, so it will be 4x is equal to angle is cos inverse 1 over 2. Cos 1 by 2 is cos 60. 60 means pi by 3. So we have pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3. Dear students, because cos is positive, it will be in first and fourth quadrant. So this is 60 degree, pi by 3, this is 2 pi minus pi by 3. To convert your answer into general form, just like previous question, I am adding 2n pi, and then similarly 5 pi by 3 over 2n pi. So dear students, you can bring it on the other side. It will be pi by 12 plus 2n pi by 4 is n pi by 2. Here is 5 pi by 12 plus 2n pi over 4 is n pi by 2. So dear students, we have these values. Now we have to write down their answer in general form. Solution set is n pi by 3 union pi by 12 plus n pi by 2 union 5 pi by 12 over n pi by 2. That's your answer. I hope that you understood this question. After that we have question number 20. Question number 20 is our last question of this exercise and this chapter also. Here we have question number 20. Question number 20 is cos theta plus cos 3 theta. Cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 7 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta is equal to 0. Dear students, first of all, you can rearrange. 1 plus 7 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8. So we can write down cos 7 theta plus cos theta, cos 5 theta plus cos 3 theta, that is equal to 0. We have cos plus cos is 2 cos first plus second over 2, cos first minus second over 2. Cos plus cos, 2 cos. Again cos plus cos, 2 cos. First plus second over 2 and first minus second over 2, that is equal to 0. 2 cos 4 theta cos 3 theta plus 2 cos 4 theta cos theta, that is equal to 0. You can take 2 cos 4 theta common, cos 3 theta plus cos theta, that is equal to 0. 2 cos 4 theta, again we can apply formula cos plus cos. It will be 2 cos first plus second over 2 cos first minus second over 2, that is equal to 0. Here will be 4 cos 4 theta cos 4 theta over 2 cos 2 theta, and then cos 3 theta 2 theta over 2 mean cos theta, that is equal to 0. So dear students, you can have cos 4 theta is equal to 0, cos 2 theta is equal to 0, and cos theta is equal to 0. All multiples are written separately with 0 as right hand side. So dear students, now you can check that we can write down 4 theta is equal to cos inverse 0. Then 2 theta is equal to cos inverse 0 and theta is equal to cos inverse 0. Yes, here is 4 theta is equal to cos inverse 0, 2 theta cos inverse 0, theta is equal to cos inverse 0. Dear students, you can check cos inverse 0 is actually 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This is the, for example, n is equal to 0, pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 is 0. And n is equal to 1, 3 pi by 2, 270, then cos 270 is also 0. So here we can write down 2n plus 1 pi by 2, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So dear students, we can have here, bring this 4. So theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 8. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. And theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So now you can have theta is equal to 2n pi by 8 plus pi by 8. Theta is equal to 2n pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Here is 2n pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Theta is equal to n pi by 4 plus pi by 8. Theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 4, and here n pi plus pi by 2. So dear students, you have solution set as n pi by 4 plus pi by 8 union n pi by 2 plus pi by 4 union n pi plus pi by 2. Dear students, that was your last question of your last chapter, and now alhamdulillah we have finished our whole syllabus up to chapter number 14. Last question. I hope that you understood this question, and if you have any problem you can contact me during revision process. Now keep on revising, solve those questions which you have homework. So I think you can contact me if you have any problem in your revision process. You have sufficient time to revise the whole syllabus again and again, and read carefully the theory of your chapters. They will be helpful for your MCQs. Similarly, those questions which are short and they have 2 to 3 steps or even 4 steps, then they can also come in MCQs. So in first year, second year, MCQs are not so simple. So you have to solve them sometimes. So be careful and revise short question for the MCQs. Revise the theory and read out the theory of all chapters carefully for the MCQs. So in this way you will be able to solve your paper in the proper way. And I hope that you will do in the better way. Good luck and Allah